Hello guys and welcome back to Robbery Bob 2 Double Trouble. So last time we completed the chapter Seagull. Now we are in Seagull Bay. Let's do it. Alright. Yeah, let's go. First let's see what happened to Bobby in this episode. Alright. Okay, she's fishing. It's a fish. It's a guy? What the? Aliens, huh? Aliens! Oh! Alright, so we need to complete this. He tells us that we need to complete it. Okay, we're going to a 6th level.
Monstery to kill. Woogie Wazzy, talk to Maria.
Goodbye. Oh, what? Come on. Come on, my dude, I ain't got time to play with you. Okay. I guess we need to activate this stuff. Okay. Alright. Oh no! Motherfucker! Move! Nope. Wait a second, alright guys? And yeah, we're back. Yay! This level looks tough and hard. He heard it. Come on. Run. Yeah. Get out of my freaking face, stupid ladder. Alright.
Talk to Maria.
Okay. We can be some other man? I mean, we're a girl. And the officers can't catch us, right? Oh, that's so fun. That's so great, dude. Oh, fuck. Motherfucker. Oh, shoot. Come on. Okay. Oh, help. Wait, let me pause, alright? Alright, wait. Alright, guys, you're not gonna believe this. I have an invisibility potion. Oh no. Oh, wait. Alright, guys. Let's do it. I'm still a woman? Okay. Woo! Let's go. Okay. Alright. Okay, shut up. Alright. Okay. Alright. Okay. Alright, so yeah, we got the key.
What the?
I do not care. Goodbye. Woo. Maybe I will not make it to 6th level because it already came to 7 minutes. Don't worry, I'll see what I can do. Alright, come on.
Papi really wants it.
Alright. Okay. Wait. Uh-huh. Okay. Okay. Come on. Alright. Okay. Come on. Oh, we're stuck. Okay, come on. Alright. Carefully. Alright, double buttered toast.
Snaggeroo.
Alright. Oh, what about these things? Woo! Come on. I clicked the Alright. One more level to pass. I hope we can make it. This looks hard.
Once reached here.
Alright. Okay. Whew. Okay. He didn't notice nothing? Hey, what was that sound? Oh guys. Alright, he killed him. Come on. Oh, just wait a little minute, right? Alright, guys. I'm sorry for not letting you watch the video because I paused. Alright, let's go. Where's that guy? That old man. Yeah, alright. This is the last level. Told you we were gonna make it. I mean, the last level that we'll finish today. Oh, look! They're really aliens. They're flying. Okay, come on. Hurry up. Alright. Come on. Alright. Shut up. Okay. Okay. This is so hard when you're walking from their back and all that stuff. Okay. Give me that key. Oh, shoot. Oh, guys. Oh, Nemo. Sorry if I screamed over there a little bit. My friends are just speaking again and all that stuff. Come on, hurry up. Stupid old man. Come on. I got no time to play with you. Alright. Okay, give me all that. Oh, I told you this looks hard. And it's gonna be hard. Alright. Why is he going? Come on, press. What? Yeah, come on. Come on. Oh, this is so annoying. Get wrecked. Oh, alright. Alright, wait guys, just wait a little bit, alright? Guys, do you actually know what? I was so stupid this whole time. Oh no. Oh help. Oh help. Yeah, we can only just open that door washing machine.
What the hell?
Okay. Alright, come on. Come on. Alright. Okay. I'm sorry because I lost a lot of these times. Alright. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, subscribe and like, and see you all in the next episode. Goodbye, guys.